Investing for Beginners, Lesson 3. What is a stock brokerage account? This is one of 3 videos which will explain how you can start investing once you open your first stock brokerage account. As a beginner, the first question you will ask is, what is a stock brokerage account? A stock brokerage account is used to save money so you can buy and sell stocks to make money. Whenever you buy or sell a stock, the money will be maintained in your brokerage account separate from your regular bank account. How much money you have to start investing will be the deciding factor which brokerage firm you choose due to the minimum amount of money required to open some brokerage accounts. There are many brokerage firms for the investor to choose from, which can make it difficult to decide which firm is best for you. That is why we have included this lesson, in order to make it easy for you to decide which firm to choose. Next, we will cover what a stock brokerage account offers you. A stock brokerage account is like a savings account with the capability of buying and selling stocks over the internet or over the phone. We will go over the different savings account options for you to choose from within a brokerage account, as well as other features offered that we will discuss in more detail in video 2. Also within video 2, we will explain the types of stock brokerage accounts. There are 2 main types of brokerage accounts, a full-service broker or a discount broker, which is explained in detail in video 2. Finally, how to choose the best stock brokerage firm. When choosing a stock brokerage account, you need to be sure to choose the right broker that offers low commissions on stock trades and no fees. Some brokerage firms charge a monthly fee if you do not have the minimum amount of money required in your savings account. Not all brokers charge fees. We recommend avoiding a brokerage account that charges fees. Brokerage firms will be reviewed in more detail in video 3. Thank you for participating in what is a stock brokerage account. Please continue to the next video.